In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Renko charts in TradingView. Renko charts are a powerful way to filter out noise and focus on price movement by using bricks instead of traditional time-based candles. They can make trends clearer, help you spot reversals more easily, and simplify your decision-making. Let's walk through how to switch to Renko and configure it so it fits your trading style. Start on your TradingView chart. At the top of the chart area, look for the icon that controls the chart type, usually showing candlesticks by default. Click that icon to open the chart type menu. From the list, select Renko. Your chart will immediately transform into a series of bricks that plot price movement based on size rather than time. Next, let's customize how those bricks are calculated. Right-click on any Renko brick and choose Settings. You'll see options for box size calculation. The first method is ATR or Average True Range. This is the recommended dynamic approach, because it adapts the brick size to recent volatility. The default ATR length is 14, which is a balanced starting point for many assets. If the market gets more volatile, the box size increases. If it calms down, the box size shrinks. This keeps the chart responsive without constant manual adjustments. The other option is traditional. This lets you set a fixed numerical value for the box size. It's great if you prefer a consistent brick size regardless of market conditions. For example, you might choose a specific value that aligns with your instrument's typical daily range or your risk tolerance. Remember, a smaller fixed box size will produce more bricks and more signals, while a larger size will filter out more minor moves and highlight the bigger trends. Pick one approach that matches your strategy and test how it looks on your chosen timeframe and asset. While you are still in settings, customize the appearance to make the chart easy to read. Adjust the color for bullish or up bricks and bearish or down bricks to something clear and high contrast. Choose colors you can distinguish at a glance. You can also toggle wicks on or off. With wicks on, you'll see the extremes that price reached before a brick was confirmed, which can provide context for volatility and failed moves. Turning wicks off gives you a cleaner, minimal view focused purely on confirmed bricks. That's it. You've switched to Renko, set up the box calculation with either ATR or traditional sizing, and tailored the appearance for clarity. With these settings, your Renko chart is ready to help you read trends with confidence.